What's up, my sweet beauties? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video. If nobody has told you today, baby, if nobody has told you today, you are beautiful. So today, I want to do like another fall type of video, but I wanted to do things a little different. Of course, we know that for Halloween and for fall, you carve pumpkins. But I wanted to do something different with the kids, like different ideas and stuff, make a video on other things that you can do for fall or Halloween. I found these carvable pumpkins from Dollar Tree. So I want to try these out. This could be, you know, something that you use if you have younger kids or if you just don't feel like dealing with the mess. I think I want to cut this down, so. Can you even cut this down? I'm gonna need a different knife. Okay. So with this first pumpkin, I'll just paint it. Say black, but I didn't mean to do that much. It say black, giving gray. So we gonna see. I'm doing this first so that it'll have time to like dry while I move on to the next project. Oh, look who decided to join us. You say hi, Bryce Carter.
Hey, YouTube.
You can bring your pumpkin closer to you. Take the stuff out your bag. You don't want to do this?
I do.
Okay. You could, if you need to, you need to move this all. Oh, this in your way. It's hard. Let's see. That's where you want this eye at. So let me see. Take the eye. Oh, and he didn't show y'all, but this is pumpkin decorating kit. He also got some pumpkin teeth to go with it. Alright, so where did you want it? I'm sorry. Right here. So with this, you're gonna have to take it and turn and turn and turn and turn. Like Mr. Potato Head.
So the teeth are like weird to me, so I'm gonna, instead of doing it for the mouth, I'm just gonna do it for the hair.
You're gonna make crazy hair with the teeth?
Yes.
Okay, that's a good idea. I like that idea.
Thank you.
Does this look like the pumpkin is pretty much covered?
Yes.
I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna slide this over and then on to the next pumpkin. Ooh.
I think it looks pretty good so far.
I do too. I think you're doing a great job. Get your ass in that cage before I show you a great job. A whooping that ass. Okay, so these are the pumpkins I was showing y'all. They feel like styrofoam. I got these from Dollar Tree. And it literally says carvable pumpkin. And I got a couple of them. So I'm going to try this out and see how this turns out. Hold it.
Thank you. Should I do it like this or like...
I think it look good. So I'm thinking, do I need to draw on it like I would a regular pumpkin? Alright, so let's try. I'm gonna do...
Looks like he kind of has a mohawk. So it looks like he kind of has a mohawk.
A what?
A mohawk.
A mohawk.
Hog.
Mohawk.
Hawk? Oh.
Alright, so this is what I drew on my carvable pumpkin. And let's see how it works. Oh, I can't do that sound. Someone new. Where did you go first? You and John Mark have a lot in common. Sorry, y'all. The camera died, but Bryce finished his. Show them yours, Bryce.
There's nothing that stands out to me. Really.
He calls it the pumpkin monster. You said?
Yes.
Okay. This same question.
I think he did an excellent job.
We can go on a second.
It looks like a little rock star.
What does his decision mean to you?
Alright, so that's pumpkin 1. I don't really know about less mess because it's styrofoam.
I'm gonna start with you.
But
Do you want to take Whitney on a 4th date? Yes, I will go on another date with him. I call that a relationship job. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think we have some things to talk about.
So I finally got this
a couple things to address, and I'd like to go ahead and do it.
Did you subscribe to my channel yet? If you did, press the like button. Let me know that you already subscribed by pressing that like button. So pause it and then press that like button. Alright, so this is some LED tea light candle cookies.
Now, actually, you went on the first date with Kwame. Will he be getting a second date?
So I'm gonna try these out and see how they work in this pumpkin. I'm gonna put them inside my pumpkin. What they do, I don't know. And this is what my pumpkin looks like. Cool, right?
Super cool.
Cool. Alright, that's our second pumpkin. Carter, you have to draw your face on your pumpkin.
Any face?
Any face you want. The camera died again. I tried to start recording again before the camera really charged. And this is one of the carvable. Carter, turn the light out. Hit those switches. And so these are the carvable ones. I'm not mad at these. Like, I'm not mad at them at all. I think they're actually cool and it doesn't take long. And then this is the pumpkin that Bryce did. This is a regular pumpkin. And then my pumpkin is not dry yet. So I'm gonna wait for that to dry. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright, so I just drew these circles up here.
Will he be getting
I'm really trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. His legs look a little crazy, but this is the one that was painted, and then I added some pipe cleaners on top with the hot glue gun, to give it like the leg effect. But yes, this is another idea. So we did 4 pumpkins without actually carving. That's gonna conclude this video. But make sure you like, you comment your opinions. If you like the different pumpkin ideas, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you, my sweet beauties. You like my voice? Is there anyone? Alright, y'all.